Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Marvelous Concepts. In this video, we're going to discuss about another important topic in pharmacology, that is principle of drug action. Principle of drug action helps you to understand mechanism of drug action and pharmacokinetic profile of drug. So let's get right into the video. As we all know that drug is any substance that is used to prevent, diagnose, treat or relieve symptoms of a disease or abnormal condition. Whereas drug action is the pharmacodynamic parameter in which the study of drug effects and their action is described. One drug alters or inhibits the action of another drug. Drugs don't produce new functions to any cells, tissues, or organ. They just alter the effect of the specific activity. Altering the effect means either increasing or decreasing the activity of the drug. Basically, the drug shows its activity by following these five principles. Basic type of drug action is classified as stimulation, depression, irritation, replacement, cytotoxic action. These are the five principles. Let's discuss them in detail. First one is stimulation. Stimulation is defined as the enhancement of the level of activity of specialized cells. That is nothing but once we take the drug, it will show increase in activity which is going on the cells. For example, adrenaline stimulates the heart, pilocarpine stimulates salivary glands, CNS stimulant action is produced by a high dose of picrotoxin, whereas the caffeine also stimulates CNS. Another important point we have to remember here is that excessive stimulation results in depression oftenly. Every drug will be having a limit point for stimulation. If it's crossed the limit, after some point the same drug starts showing depression in activity. Here comes our next principle, depression. Depression is defined as the selective reduction of activity of specialized cells, that is nothing but decrease in rate or speed of biological activity, or that is suppression in drug activity. For example, CNS depressant action is produced by barbiturates, or the quinidine depresses the heart, and acetylcholine stimulates intestinal smooth muscles but depresses SA node in the heart. And the next one is irritation. This predicate a non-selective, often toxic effect on the specialized cells, such as epithelial cells, connective tissues. For example, balm used to treat headache and senna is used to treat constipation. It enters our GIT and irritates smooth muscles to show the required action. Here, the strong irritation can also lead to inflammation, corrosion, and necrosis. And another principle is replacement. Replacement is defined as the use of natural metabolites, hormones, or their derivatives in the state of deficiency. For example, such as insulin is used in diabetes, and levodopa is used in Parkinsonism, and iron is used in anemia. Here comes the last principle of drug action, that is cytotoxic action. Cytotoxic action is the toxic action on cancer cells or on the growing parasite without significantly affecting the host cells that are used for diagnosis of infection and neoplasms. For example, penicillin, zidovudine, cyclophosphamide, and chloroquine.